I'm José Avillez, a Portuguese chef and entrepreneur. My first time came to Macau more than 10 years ago, and it was amazing to see all the influence that the Portuguese left and that they are still here. One of the things that I love to do in Macau, every time that I have some chance, I come here. For a cook, it's really important. Everything we cook and we put in our plate started coming from a place more or less like this, from the sea, from the land. So every time that I have a chance, I come, I walk, I climb these stairs, I go down these stairs. I try to feel the breeze of the sea. I think it's a place that I really connect with Portugal back home, and it's a bridge from Macau and Portugal. I always love to come here. Also, we are in the Senado Square, in the center of the city. You can find here a lot of Portuguese influence, especially in architecture. Of course, all this work made with stone, we call it calçada portuguesa. Down there you can see the different colors, the blue and the white. We see a lot of old architecture here. You can see, of course, the Portuguese influences, but there's always something different that you understand that couldn't be in Portugal. It's nice to have that mix of culture together in the architecture. I really like to come here. Here in Santos, an amazing place in the center here of Macau, an amazing man who came 41 years ago to Macau in the Navy. He used to be a chef in the Navy. He stayed here for a couple of years and then fell in love with the place, with the people, and opened this restaurant for more than 35 years now. So we are here tasting some octopus salad, some bacalhau à brás. One of my favorite dishes in the world is bacalhau à brás. The Portuguese salad with lettuce, tomato, onion, and cucumber. The prawns with garlic, some suckling pig with French fries, olives, and red wine. So I'm here at the Lock Key. It's a great, genuine Chinese restaurant. They prepare these homemade egg noodles with the shrimp eggs. That is amazing. And I'm eating also a beautiful soup. I come here sometimes after service, and I love it. As you can see, there's a lot of places to visit in Macau. You can be near the nature in a vibrant city. Visit different kinds of restaurants with a mix of cultures. I have to go back to Portugal, but missing Macau already.